In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the blower motor on this BMW 328i. Let's get into it. We're going to remove this cover under the glove box. I'm going to use a T20 socket, take the screws out on the sides. Take this cover down, disconnect the connector for the auxiliary outlet. Where the light is, we're just going to push it down and then twist it. Just pull it through and slide the cover away. Disconnect the connector. There's two tabs on the sides. You're going to push them in. You can slide the connector out. Might need two hands. You can see where you push those in. Disconnect that, and back near the firewall there is a tab. It's kind of hard to see. You need to pull that tab up and then twist the whole motor counterclockwise. And the motor slides out. Move the wires out of the way. It slides right down. I'll disconnect the connector, just like that. We're going to take these two screws out, use a T20 socket. And take the module off. Now on the new blower motor, just slide the module in place and put the screws in. Get those started and tighten those down. Just snug. Take the connector. You can see there is a tab on the connector that lines up with the slot. Slide that in and lock it down. Slide the motor in place. Pull this air duct out a little bit. Just get under the wires. And when you get that pin lined up, you're going to spin this counterclockwise to get it to lock in. All right, that's locked in. And take the connector, line this up. Only goes one way. There's a tab right there. Line that up. Lock that in place. Just push all the wires back. Line the cover up. Slide the light through. Then get that positioned right. Lock it in place. In the outlet, plug that in. And slide the cover in position. And get the two screws started. I'm going to tighten those down. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.